Hey there! If you freelance, you already know the money side is the hardest part. Chasing invoices, tracking expenses, and then tax season shows up and you have no idea what you owe. Let me walk you through the Freelancer Finance Hub, tab by tab, so you know exactly how to use it the moment you download it. And finally, run your freelance business like a business. Start on the client dashboard, every client in one place, with their contact info, hourly rate, and status. The two columns on the right do the work for you: total revenue earned from each client and how much they still owe you in outstanding invoices. In our example, 5 clients have brought in $51,000, with about $11,000 still outstanding. The Invoice Tracker is how you actually get paid on time. Log every invoice, when you sent it, when it's due, and its status: paid, pending, or overdue. The days outstanding column tells you at a glance which clients to chase. That overdue Harbor Wellness invoice sitting at 28 days is exactly the one you'd follow up on today. The income log is your running record of every dollar that comes in: date, client, amount, payment method, and category. This one feeds your dashboards and your taxes automatically, so every payment you log here shows up everywhere it needs to. Just enter it once. The expense tracker is where freelancers leave the most money on the table. Log every business expense by category, mark whether it's tax deductible, and note if you have a receipt: software, equipment, home office, mileage. It all adds up to real deductions. Every expense you track here is money you don't pay tax on. The quarterly tax estimator is the tab that saves you from a nasty April surprise. Set your filing status and tax rates once, and it breaks your income down by quarter and estimates what to set aside. No more guessing. No more penalties for underpaying. You'll know your number before the quarter closes. The profit and loss statement pulls it all together, month by month. Revenue up top, every expense category below, and your net profit and margin at the bottom. It's the single view that tells you if your business is actually making money. Ours shows about $48,000 in net profit at a 93% margin. The time tracker turns your hours into dollars. Log the date, client, project, and hours. Set it billable or not, and it calculates your earnings automatically. It's perfect for hourly work, and it shows you which projects are really worth your time. And the 1099 Prep tab makes tax filing almost painless. It totals your income by client, flags who needs a 1099, and gives you a Schedule C ready summary: gross income, total expenses, net profit, and your full estimated tax. Everything your accountant asks for, already done. That's the whole hub. 9 tabs, every formula already built, works in Excel and in Google Sheets, and it's an instant download. The link is in the description below. Go run your freelance business like the business it is. Thanks for watching.